Understanding CySA+. Introduction to CySA+ certification, a pivotal step for cybersecurity professionals aiming for excellence. Definition and significance of CySA+ in the cybersecurity landscape. Overview of the skills and domains covered in the CySA+ certification. CySA+ certification process. Eligibility criteria and prerequisites for aspiring CySA+ candidates. Step-by-step guide on applying for and obtaining CySA+ certification. Insights into the CySA+ exam structure, format, and preparation strategies. Exam preparation. Recommended study resources and materials for effective CySA+ exam preparation. Strategies for creating a personalized study plan and mastering key exam domains. Real-world applications. Highlighting the practical applications of CySA+ skills in real-world cybersecurity scenarios. Post-certification benefits. Exploring the career opportunities and advancements unlocked by CySA+ certification. Success stories and testimonials from professionals who have achieved CySA+ certification. Recap of key points discussed in the video. Encouragement for viewers to embark on their CySA+ certification journey for career growth. Expressing excitement for viewers' success in their CySA+ certification pursuit.